So let's create some problematic geometry for ourselves, and let's try to clean it up with cleanup options, cleanup tool. So a couple of situations. Say we have face, and we kind of start extruding it, and I forgot extruding it, selecting something else, and moved on to something else. And of course, if I go to subdivided mesh, I see a problem here. So 1, 2, 3 in keyboard. That's one problem. Now let's go to edges and extrude this edge here. Extrude edge. So we created something like that. Let's go to another one. So we are creating illegal geometry, as it's called in some softwares. Non-manifold geometry, I think also there's a term. Now also let's create this situation here. Target weld. So you see, we'll have two faces that overlap each other, and they're in the same place. We have here a z-buffer fight, so video card doesn't know which polygon to draw because they're in the same area. So it has this weird artifact. Looks kind of cool, trippy, I would say. No? So that's a z-buffer fighting. And what else? Yeah, maybe that's enough. So now we go to object mode, and we go to mesh. Clean up. We have two options. So we can either ask Maya to clean it up by tessellation here, or we can just ask it to select problematic areas. And this is what to select, what problems we are looking for. Okay, so let's start with this extrusion here, where we extruded, but I forgot to actually move it out. So edges with 0 length. And let's clean it up. Clean up, and let's see if it helped. Yeah, you see there is no more problem here. If I would undo in the subdivided version, I see it problematic area here. So this extrusion edges with 0 length. So it works with this cleanup tool, mesh, cleanup, and edges with 0 length, and you clean up. So now let's just select, not clean up, but select things. And let's say those lumina faces, whatever that means. So I hit apply, and it immediately selects problematic areas. That's the only one area in this cube here. Now, how to fix it? I would just go to faces and try to select one of them. I would probably go with this one, because you see it's not shaded, so probably it's the one that is reversed. Delete. No, it didn't work. Oh, I'm in cut tool, sorry. I wanted to select. So I will try. And I guess it's hard to select, so I'll just select this one, delete, select this one, delete, and now I would have to fill the hole somehow. I would just go to edges, double click to select the outline. And I have another problem because I have close by problematic areas here. So when I select edge loop, you see it selected not only those 4 edges, but also here and this area here. So I guess first I'll clean up this area, and then I'll move on to fill the hole. So again, now we go for non-manifold geometry, apply, and you see the yellow dots. It's green, yellow, green. So again, it shows us problematic area. How can it fix it? It can by detaching. Does it say how? Let's try object mode, clean up, and let's see what happened. So if I try to move this out, you see it's already disconnected. So that's how it cleans it up. But there's still some problems. It's because we had problems in this area here. It kind of disconnected those edges, faces, vertices here as well. So I'll need to merge them to a center. Merge them with some distance. Let's see now. 3, all is fine. We are left with this hole, which we will fill.